Hey there, it's Mitchell, and in today's video creating tutorial, I'm going to show you how I organize all of my video assets, not only to work off of, but for storage as well. File management is extremely important as you make more videos. It can be extremely helpful when looking for old content, and it's a good idea to keep the file hierarchy that you are working off of when you create your original project, so that if you want to revisit it, Premiere Pro does not have an issue finding any of the video clips. Now, whenever I edit video, I always edit off of an external hard drive. In this case, I have the files opened up to where all of my current projects are organized. Now, if you notice, I'm highlighting a folder called New Video Setup. Now, the reason why I have a folder called New Video Setup is I copy and paste this folder every time I rename it and I start a new project. So in this case, you can see I have a folder for Adobe, a folder for GoPro, Intro, Mavic, and Nikon. Now I put all of my Adobe files and I create the actual project itself inside of the Adobe folder so that all of the Adobe generated previews and saves are all in one central location. And now I have a folder for each of the cameras that I shoot with. And if I work with a team of people, I will have their cameras labeled as well. Another addition which I've recently made to my workflow is having an intro folder. And in my intro folder, I have all of my green screen assets and all of the other animations that I've created and I use on the introductions of videos such as this. Having this all in one place means that if I want to go back and revisit a really old project, it's extremely easy to do so. Now we have here my very first vlog, which I did leaving it to the airport when I came to Asia originally almost 9 months ago. And now, as you can see, I have full working ability of this entire project. I can edit stuff as I want to, and it's really simple and straightforward, and it makes retrieving old footage a snap. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, think about subscribing. I'm going to start having videos on this channel every Friday dealing with techniques or things that I use in my filmmaking and in my creative process. Next week's video, I'm going to be having a video about how I utilize keywords in Adobe Lightroom. I recently organized all my photos and I would really like to share some of the tips that I picked up with you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, guys, it's been Mitchell. Have a good one.